Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet a phone bag. It's really easy. This measures 3.5 inches by 6.5 inches, but you can make it fit for any phone. I'm using cotton yarn from Sugar and Cream. This is a number 4 medium yarn. Each one is about 71 grams, and all you need is just one ball. You'll also need a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, yarn needle, and stitch markers. Alright, let's get started. First, make a slip knot. Insert the hook and make a chain of 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The chain could be in any number, but you want the chain to be at the same size as the phone. To begin round 1, on the second chain from hook, that's 1, 2, this one, place 3 single crochet. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. That's 1. 2 more into the same chain. 2 and 3. And place a marker on this stitch. Then single crochet into the next chain, single crochet, and single crochet into every chain until the last chain. At the last chain, place 3 single crochet. 1, and place a marker on this stitch. 2 and 1 more. 3. Then single crochet along this side for 8 stitches, and this brings us back to the beginning. 1, 2, 7, and last one, 8. 3 single crochet at this end and 3 single crochet at this end. Total we have 22 stitches. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain. In the same stitch, place 2 single crochet. 1, 2. In the next stitch, 2 single crochet. 1, 2, and 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Then single crochet into every stitch for 8 stitches until the next marker. At the second marker, place 2 single crochet into 3 stitches. 1, 1 more into the same stitch, 2, 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Then single crochet into every stitch for 8 stitches. By the end of the round, we have 28 stitches, and we'll be working with 28 stitches for the rest of the pattern. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. In the same stitch, place a single crochet. In the next stitch, double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Single crochet into the next stitch, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet, and repeat this all the way around, and I'll meet you on round 4. To begin round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch. 2 chains this time, 1, 2, and this does not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, double crochet, single crochet into the next stitch, double crochet, single crochet. So this round, we're doing the opposite of the previous round. The double crochet goes into the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet goes into the double crochet stitch, and repeat this all the way around. To begin round 5, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. In the same stitch, single crochet, double crochet, single crochet, double crochet. This is a repeat of round 3. From here, we're repeating round 3 and round 4 until the bag comes to the height we want. And make sure to test it out before moving on. It doesn't need to cover the phone entirely. From here, after you join the round, 1 chain, and place a single crochet into every stitch for 2 rounds. You can make more rounds if you like. After 2 rounds of single crochet, after the last stitch, cut yarn. With a yarn needle, insert into the first stitch, then insert into the previous stitch for a nice finishing loop. And weave in the tail. The next part is making the strap, and it's really easy. Start by making a slip knot, and you want to leave a long tail for stitching. insert the hook, 2 chains, 1, 2. On the second chain from hook, which is the last chain, this one, place a single crochet. Turn clockwise so the V is facing up, and there's a bar right over here. Insert into the bar, and place a single crochet. Turn again clockwise. There's the V. There are 2 bars this time. Insert into 2 bars, 1 and 2. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Turn again clockwise. Insert into the 2 bars. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Again, turn, insert, and this is the repeat. Continue with this until it comes to the length you want. Lastly is to attach the strap to the bag. I attach the strap in the inside, and make sure your strap is not twisted before you are attaching the other side. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!